Pirate could have an advantage in Apolis race. Bafana Bafana winger Austin Apolis remains the sought-after player in SA, with indications Orlando Pirates could be at an advantage in the race for his signature. As Bafana completed a successful Africa Cup of Nations qualification campaign during the recent FIFA International Week, Apolis showed his class as one of the influential players in Hugo Bro's team. The Cape Town-born player started in both matches against Uganda and South Sudan respectively and played a big role in the back-to-back victories, capping off his inspiring performances with an assist for Increm Reina's goal in the 3-0 win in the Mother City on Tuesday evening. Having been linked with clubs locally and abroad since the end of last season, including Kaizer Chiefs, who are understood to have not given up in the chase of his signature. Indications are that the talented player is unlikely to make a move in January. Chiefs and other top PSL clubs like Pirates are understood to be keeping tabs on him. Apollo